Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of butterscotch bread pudding. If you like butterscotch flavor, you'll like this pudding. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prepare praline. For that, take half a cup of sugar in a pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Rotate the pan like this so that the sugar dissolves evenly. Make sure not to use a spoon much until all the sugar melts. The sugar is dissolved and it's bubbling. Mix it gently so that it cooks evenly. The sugar is caramelized and turned into amber color. Switch off the flame and add in 25 grams of roasted almonds and 25 grams of roasted cashew nuts. I have transferred it in a butter sheet greased with oil. You can set this in greased stainless steel plate as well. Cool the praline completely. Next, I am going to prepare butterscotch sauce. For that, take 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Add in 1/4 cup of water. Now add in a pinch of salt. The sugar has caramelized perfectly. Reduce the flame and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. In goes of 1 cup of thick cream. I have used Amul brand cream. Switch off the flame when it comes to this consistency. Delicious butterscotch sauce is ready now. I have taken 5 breads. Cut the edges of the bread. Now dip each of the bread slices into the butterscotch sauce. Coat both the sides of the bread with the butterscotch sauce. Arrange it into the glass dish like the way I am doing. Well, the butterscotch sauce will be little hot. Butterscotch coated bread layer is ready now. The praline has set perfectly. Grind it in a mixer grinder into a coarse powder. This is the praline powder. Now add in the praline powder. Spread it evenly on top of the butterscotch bread. Reserve some butterscotch powder which we'll be using it later. The second layer of the pudding is ready now. Take 1.5 cup of whipping cream. Whip it nicely using an electric beater. Add in the leftover butterscotch sauce. Give it a mix with a spatula and beat it with an electric beater. The butterscotch flavored whipping cream is ready now. Cover the pudding with the butterscotch whipped cream. Level it evenly using a spatula. Sprinkle the reserved praline powder on top of the whipped cream. Set the butterscotch bread pudding in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Delicious butterscotch bread pudding is ready to be served. You could see all the layers of the pudding. Do try this pudding and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Facebook or Instagram account. I'll show a slice of this pudding. Look at the texture of the pudding, friends. This is so delicious and full of butterscotch flavor. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.